How to join Telegram private channel without admin approval. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join Telegram private channel without admin approval. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this video, you will need to know the name of the group, and that's actually really important. So what you can do here is you can just go to any Telegram, and whenever you find the private group channel that you want to join, make sure that you just copy the name of that group. Open up your web browser and simply search for HTTPS. Just give 2 dots here, give a slash, and then what you'll need to do is you'll just need to type in t.me and give a slash. Now right here, just type in the name of the group of the Telegram. Now as you can see, the Apple one is here since I've already done that, but if you have any group that you want to join, just put that name here. So for this case, I'll just show you an example for Apple. If I just tap on go, it will take me to that Apple, and now I can join it. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you join Telegram private channel without approval. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.